is for apple. B for ball. Yay, ball! C for carrot. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for joker. And here comes the joker now.
Hee-hee! Hello there!
K for kite. Look, it's flying. L is for lion. Hi there. Hello, bunny. M for moon. N for nest. O for orange. Look at this big orange fruit. Yeah! P for penguin. What? Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for star. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for whale. Splish splash. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Hello. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Bye.